Rancher is an application packaged with Helm. So an upgrade consists of making a one-time snapshot of Rancher before performing the upgrade. That's that ever-present make a backup step. Update the Helm repo to retrieve the latest release info. Fetch the most recent version of the chart for your repository.
The repository should be either latest or stable because upgrades are not supported from the alpha repository, right?
That's absolutely right. You wouldn't be trying to perform an upgrade of an alpha deployment, would you?
No, they wouldn't. They know better.
Lord, I hope not. Next, retrieve the values used in the original installation. Use Helm upgrade with the namespace and those values. And when everything's done, verify that the upgrade was successful by logging into Rancher and viewing the version in the bottom left corner of the UI.
I'm running an older version of Rancher, seen in the bottom left, and I want to upgrade. Since this is a Kubernetes installation, I'll use Helm to manage this process. First, I need to take a snapshot of the cluster and copy it to somewhere outside the cluster in case of failure. I'll make sure I have the latest Helm repository information. Then I'll fetch the installation parameters from this old install, specifically the namespace and the values passed in. Once these are stored, I can run Helm's upgrade command with the namespace and values. When the deployment is healthy, my Rancher server will show its upgraded version in the bottom left.
If the upgrade fails,
Which it won't.
the process for rolling back is to restore from the snapshot taken just prior to the upgrade. But it won't happen.
No,
No.
never.